Hi everyone, it's Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com, and it's Monday, November 22nd, 2010, here with our Monday Night Football pick, and boy, what a week it's been. I think in these video picks, I don't think we've missed in a very, very long time. Well over a week that we've, in a row that we've hit these picks. So we're going to keep the ball rolling in these video picks. It's really been incredible, hasn't it? But, of course, another place where we've been knocking out of the park, our premium section. You know, yesterday in the early NFL games, I was 1-1. I had the Buffalo Bills and then, the New York Jets, which I even wrote in my write-up in the premium section, that I thought it looked like a sucker bet the way the line was in that thing, and we took the bait. We took the Jets anyway, so we were 1-1 to get the day started. Then the afternoon games come. 4-0 after the early games. We had the New Orleans Saints, we had the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, we had the under in the Bucs game, and of course Philadelphia Eagles. And then for in the Mitch's bet section, I showed you guys that we pressed that Eagles bet up. We laid even more points than the 3.5 that were out there. We got huge odds on the payoff on that thing, laying 6.5 points as opposed to just the 3.5. We laid 3.5. We laid 6.5. We bet the first half. We hit that too. And boy, it was just a real party. 5-1 yesterday in the premium section. So if you're not a premium member, you certainly missed out on that one. We had a little bit of a rough day on Saturday, but as we've done every time we've had a rough day on in the premium section, bounce back with a vengeance with twice as many winners as losers we had the day before, and then some. So really, really solid day yesterday. Really, really excited, and I think we've only had two losing weeks all NFL season long, and I think those were all like 2 and 3 weeks that they went. But most of our winning ones have been 3-1, 4-1, 5-1, and so on and so forth. So we're 5-1 heading into Monday Night Football and NFL picks, and you guys know how we've been tearing it up on Monday Night Football all season long. I don't think we've lost a game on Monday night. But anyways, let's get on to tonight's game: San Diego Chargers and Denver Broncos. Holy smokes. The AFC West is just a mess. This division just stinks. I don't think any team from this division is going anywhere unless they can really, really get it going the second half of the season. Boy, personally, I don't see it. This thing is wide open. The Chargers a game and a half out of first place. They don't even have a winning record. We're talking about a 4-5 football team up against a 3-6 football team. Of course, Denver put the stomping on the first place Kansas City Chiefs last week, laying 49 points on them. But this is a Denver team that can't even get out of its own way. They don't even have a running back that's run for over 400 yards. Matter of fact, Knowshon Moreno's like in the 360, 370 range. That's like 50 yards a game. I think I might be able to rush for 50 yards a game, given the right blocking scheme. But boy, this team in Denver, just an absolute mess. I think the current administration, the current regime, probably on their way out the door after this season's display. And in this one, I don't think things get a lot better for their offense. But the problem is the San Diego offense up against a team very, very familiar with them, playing Denver twice a year, every year. These guys know each other so well. I think scoring is going to come at a premium in this game, with the over-under right around the 50-point range right now, and actually going higher. I think that the play here is the under. I think this thing goes under 50 points. I think it's probably pretty comfortably under 50. So our play for tonight's Monday Night Football game is the under. I also have a pick in this game. Of course, I posted that in the premium section. Dan's got an NBA pick in the premium section today. And, of course, we got tons of picks in the premium section all week and all year long. This is the biggest week of football as far as the college football season goes in the entire year. It's except for like maybe New Year's Day week and all that. But we have, a full card of games on Friday, and of course our Saturday full card of games, NFL Sunday. We got Thursday Thanksgiving, 3 NFL games, a college game, college football Tuesday. It just goes on and on and on. But this is Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com. Looks like we got a heck of a thunderstorm going on outside this morning here in Chicago. It looks like it's midnight, doesn't it? It's like 8 o'clock in the morning here, but it looks like it's pitch black midnight. So hopefully I got the power is still on so I can get this thing uploaded and you guys can all see this pick. But be sure to check out the premium section where we got picks all the time as well. And of course, SportsChatPlace.com. We have free picks on all the games as well. So this is Mitch. Thanks for joining me. Have a great Monday night.